breast augmentation, it's very important to sleep a little bit propped up on 2 to 3 pillows or even more. Some people have even a reclining bed or a reclining chair. That's helpful because it's difficult to get out of bed immediately after. It's important to sleep directly on your back with both legs straight, not crossed, and both arms at your sides. This is to maintain a very neutral spine position, make sure your head is very well supported. And immediately after, it depends on the method of breast augmentation, but most typically, if the implants are placed underneath the muscle, it's very sore to use your arms after surgery. So I actually have my patients leading up to the surgery work on their abs. It's really hard to like push off the bed after surgery. So you have to do more of a side roll to the side and then use your legs and your abs to kind of pull yourself up to minimize the discomfort.